Welcome everyone to AI Innovators Corner. This is AI Al bringing you the top AI tool of this week, which is the AI-powered Adobe Enhance. Now, you can record your voice using just your smartphone and make it studio quality with just a click and for free. Let's dive into how to do it. First, visit the website podcast.adobe.com. Then, you'll see Enhance Speech on the screen like this. Click Go to Enhance Speech. Now, you can see that you can upload your recorded audio on the right side of the screen where it says Drop Files to Enhance. Keep in mind that you can enhance 30 minutes at once, 1 hour per day in the free package. We're uploading an audio file we already have that was roughly recorded. Now it's enhancing the audio automatically. We're waiting for the enhancement to be completed. First, let's listen to the primary audio without any enhancement.
I think credit is definitely important. It's one of the things that we definitely have to take heed of. But I think before we even get to the credit, it's not going to be right till we get our mindset together. So the mindset first, because a lot of times we think of.
Now, let's listen to the enhanced result with the magic of Adobe.
I think credit is definitely important. It's one of the things that we definitely have to take heed of. But I think before we even get to the credit, it's not going to be right till we get our mindset together. So the mindset first, because a lot of times we think of.
Isn't it awesome? Thank you for joining me on this journey today. Until next time, keep innovating. Want to make money with AI? The AI Innovators Corner newsletter is your ultimate guide. Enjoy a free 1-month trial and get exclusive access to top-tier AI tools and resources. Each month, you'll receive groundbreaking AI updates, the best money-making AI tools, and our Best Tool of the Week feature, along with weekly AI tutorials delivered straight to your inbox. Don't miss out. Check the description for your free trial. No strings attached.